Hello students, Kesha Nayak here. Welcome to my class. This is our lecture number 4. First we will start with the nucleus. History of nucleus. Nucleus was discovered early in the study of the cell structure and was shown by the Robert Brown in 1831. Present in the eukaryotic cell. The nucleus is a repository for the cell's genetic information. Nuclei are the membrane, spherical bodies about 5 to 7 micrometer in diameter. They contain more than one chromosome. What is chromosome? Is a DNA molecule with the part or all the genetic material of an organism. This is a chromosome, or chromosome means DNA molecule. The exact number depend on the organism, means number of chromosome present. It is depending on the organism, cell type and stage in the life cycle. Each eukaryotic chromosome is composed of the chromatin, is a complex DNA and proteins, including the histone, means histone protein present in the chromosome. Histone are the small, what is histone? Are the small basic protein rich in an amino acid like lysine, arginine or both. So we can say eukaryotic organism, it is a composed of chromatin. What is chromatin? Chromosome is composed of a chromatin. What is chromatin? It is made up of DNA and protein. What type of protein present in the chromatin? Including histone. Histone protein present in the chromatin. There are 5 types of histone in most eukaryotic cell, like H1, H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. 8 histone molecule form an ellipsoid about 11 nanometer long and 6.5 to 7 nanometer in diameter, around which the DNA wrap to form a beads on a string formation. Each bead is called a nucleosome. मीन्स ये जो हिस्टोन मॉलिक्यूल्स है उसका डायमीटर दिया हुआ है 11 नैनोमीटर लॉन्ग एंड 6.5 टू 7 नैनोमीटर इन डायमीटर एंड उसकी जो अरेंजमेंट है वो डीएनए के अराउंड रैप हुए है किसकी तरह लाइक बीड्स ऑन अ स्ट्रिंग, जैसे कि एक स्ट्रिंग में बीड्स अरेंजमेंट होती है ना, उसी तरह ये हिस्टोन डीएनए के अराउंड रैप हुए होते हैं और उसको बोलते हैं न्यूक्लियोसोम. दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ न्यूक्लियोसोम इन विच डीएनए इज प्रेजेंट, 8 histone core proteins and H1 histone. Chromosomes are very dynamic and vary in terms of the degree of compaction. When the cell is not dividing, there is less compaction. The highest degree of compaction occurs during the cell division. Compaction is brought about in part by the histone and other protein including the condensin. Recall that condenses are also used by bacterial and archaeal cell to compact their chromosome during the cell division. What is the function of condensins? It is play a very important role in the compact their chromosome during the cell division in bacterial and archaeal cell. Tethering of the one region of the chromosome to another and tethering of the chromosome to nucleus structure also contributes to the chromosome folding and completion. The nucleus is surrounded by the nuclear envelope, a complex structure consisting of the inner and outer membrane separated by the perinuclear space. Nuclear envelope is continuous with the ER at several points and its outer membrane is covered with the ribosome. A network of the intermediate filament called the nuclear lamina is observed in the animal cell. It lies against the inner surface of the nuclear envelope and support it. Many nuclear pores penetrate the envelope and each pore is formed by the 30 protein. Each pore plus the associate protein is called the nuclear pore complex. It is a very much important. Nuclear pore complex are about 70 nanometer in diameter and collectively occupy 10 to 25% of the surface, nuclear surface. The nuclear pore complexes, what is the function of nuclear pore complexes? Serve as a transport route between the nucleus and the surrounding cytoplasm. Small molecules move through the nuclear pore complex unaided, means without helping. Small molecules are passed by the nuclear pore complex. However, large molecules are transported through the nuclear pore complex. Some nuclear pore complex protein are involved in these transport processes. Means जो लार्ज मॉलिक्यूल है उसको पास आउट करने के लिए न्यूक्लियर पोर कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोटीन उसमें हेल्प करते हैं. ऑफन द मोस्ट नोटिसेबल स्ट्रक्चर विद द न्यूक्लियस इज न्यूक्लियोलस. What is the function of nucleolus? The nucleolus play a major role in the ribosome synthesis. It is a very important process of the nucleolus. The DNA of the nuclear organizer directs the production of the ribosomal RNA. These RNA is synthesized in a single long piece that is cut to form the final rRNA molecule. Means nucleolus किस में हेल्प करता है? द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द राइबोसोमल RNA. The processed rRNA combined with the ribosomal protein to form a completed ribosomal subunit. The immature ribosomal subunit then leave the nucleus. जो मैच्योर होते हैं वो क्या किस में फॉर्म होता है? राइबोसोमल सब यूनिट में. और जो इमेच्योर राइबोसोमल सब यूनिट है दैट लीव द न्यूक्लियस एंड न्यूक्लियर कॉम्प्लेक्सेस एंड मैच्योर इन द साइटोप्लाज्म. और फिर से किस में ट्रांसफ़र होते हैं? मैच्योर होने के लिए साइटोप्लाज्म में. जो इमेच्योर राइबोसोमल सब यूनिट होते हैं वो, और जो मैच्योर सब यूनिट है इट इज़ अ कन्वर्टेड इनटू द rRNA molecule. This is a structure of the nucleus and nuclear pore complex in which diffusion barrier are present in the right hand side. Diffusion barrier present. What is the diffusion barrier? Are the effective means for constructing protein lateral exchange in the cellular membrane. And nuclear basket are present in the nuclear pore complexes. What is a nuclear basket? Nuclear pore complex act as a highly selective gate for the bidirectional exchange of protein and export of the mRNA from the nucleoplasm. The nucleoplasmic filaments are organized in the basket-like structure. Why it is called the basket? Because its arrangement like the basket that project from the nuclear pore complex towards the nuclear interior called the nuclear basket. Another things are present in the nuclear pore complex are outer membrane, inner membrane present in the right hand side, indicated in the right hand side. and in the left hand side systematic core and nuclear envelope are also present. Then next we will move to the eukaryotic ribosome. You know very well what is ribosome, एंड हम लोग जो प्रीवियस स्टैंडर्ड में उसको स्टडी करते गए हैं, उसका मेन फंक्शन है प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. यूकैरियोटिक राइबोसोम, दोज not found in mitochondria and the chloroplast, are larger than the bacterial and archaeal 70S ribosome. The ribosome is dimer of 60S and 40S subunit. What is the function of 60S, or what is the composition of 60S and 40S subunit? The 60S subunit is composed of the 3 rRNA molecule 5S, 20S and 5.8S, and about 50 protein are present in the 60S. Means 60S ribosome. What is ribosome? It is a dimer of 60S and 40S subunit. 60S subunit is composed of 3 rRNA molecule 5S, 28S and 5.8S, and another 50 protein is present in the 60S subunit. The 40S subunit is composed of an 18S rRNA and 13 protein. It is a composition of 60S subunit and the 40S subunit. A ribosome is first proposed by the Richard B. It is not indicated in your book. Each ribosome is about 22 nanometer in diameter. और डायमीटर दिया हुआ है राइबोसोम का 22 nanometer in diameter and has a sedimentation coefficient of 80S and molecular weight of 4 million. It is a very much important. What is the sedimentation coefficient? It is a quantity related to the size of the microscopic particle equal to the terminal outward velocity of the particles when centrifuged in a fluid medium, divided by the centrifugal force acting on it and expressed in unit of time. Sedimentation coefficient unit is unit of time. Each ribosome are either associated with the endoplasmic reticulum or free in the cytoplasm. It is a very important thing. Ribosome are present in the endoplasmic reticulum. It is called the rough endoplasmic reticulum or free in cytoplasm. When bound to the endoplasmic reticulum to form a rough ER, they are attached through their 60S सबयूनिट. जो राइबोसोम का 60S सबयूनिट है वो ER पे बाइंड होता है और वी कैन से अटैच होता है. बोथ फ्री एंड ER बाउंड राइबोसोम सिंथेसाइज प्रोटीन. फ्री मीन्स जो साइटोप्लाज्म के अंदर है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? फ्री राइबोसोम. और ER है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ER में जो प्रेजेंट है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. बाउंड राइबोसोम सिंथेसाइज, उस दोनों का फंक्शन क्या है? सिंथेसाइज प्रोटीन. प्रोटीन्स मेड on the ribosome of the RER are often secreted or are inserted into the ER membrane are membrane protein. Free ribosomes are the site of the synthesis for non-secretory and non-membrane protein. Some proteins synthesized by the free ribosome are inserted into the organelle such as the nucleus, mitochondria and chloroplast. मीन्स फ्री राइबोसोम मीन्स साइटोप्लाज्म में जो राइबोसोम है उसमें जो सिंथेसाइज होता है प्रोटीन, वो कहाँ ट्रांसफ़र होता है? न्यूक्लियस, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया और क्लोरोप्लास्ट में। थैंक यू एंड वेट फॉर माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो।